Versatility. Weldable D-ring hooks can easily be attached to a variety of surfaces such as metal plates, beams, and structures. This makes them a versatile option for a wide range of applications. Number 2, strength and durability. Weldable D-ring hooks are typically made from high-strength materials such as steel, making them strong and durable, and this ensures that they can withstand heavy loads and rough handling. Number 3, easy installation. Weldable D-ring hooks can be welded directly onto surfaces, making installation quick and easy, and this eliminates the need for additional hardware or mounting accessories. Now, obviously, before welding, you can grind off the paint so you have a nice ground. Number 4, secure attachment. Once welded in place, the D-ring hooks provide the secure attachment point for securing loads. In my mind, you can never have too much anchor points. This helps prevent accidents and ensures the safety of workers and materials. Number 5, customizable D-ring hooks are also available in varying sizes, shapes, configurations, allowing for customization based on specific needs and requirements. This makes it a versatile option for a wide range of applications. If you guys live in the greater Salt Lake area or 1 hour drive, I'd be happy to put some additional D-ring hooks on your cargo trailer or landscaping trailers. Please let me know. Thanks. Look how light duty these trailers are for super light duty hauling, but you may want more anchor points. So, if you were to buy a trailer like this, you can add extra anchor points just like that. Or it could be a landscaping trailer or a dump trailer. You can never have enough anchor points. So these weldable D-rings are a good idea. So many people have a trailer, but not very good anchor points. You could take these D-ring hooks and add them on the top, middle, or sides. See, hooking to the bottom of the tube is not good. You can put a weldable D-ring hook right there and space it out evenly. Every other one, every third one.